In this video, we're going to learn how to add, edit, and remove users on your TraceableLIVE service using your computer. Let's get started. The first thing I want to do is open your internet browser. This can be Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Safari. There are many more browsers, but all these will work. In this case, I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox. Once your web browser opens, go to www.TraceableLIVE.com. And then once you're here, type in your email for your username, and then type in your password, and then click Login. On the main screen, the first thing we're going to do is go to the left and click on this user icon. This will take you to the admins and users screen. On this screen, you'll see all the users currently on this account. For our first lesson, we're going to learn how to add a user. First, go to the top right and click on Add User. The first thing we'll need to decide is if this user is going to be a user or an admin. The difference between a user and an admin is that admin has a lot more control over users. To be more specific, admins can add, edit, and remove users, locations, and devices. They can also change personal account information like the address and the credit card on file. They can run reports, and so much more. A user, on the other hand, is very limited in what they can do. Users can only view devices they've been given access to by another admin, they can edit their own personal information, and they can run reports. For this new user, we're going to leave it as user. Now, let's start typing their first name. His name's going to be Bob, last name Smith, email's going to be bob@control3. Phone number will be 123-123-1234. Now for alerts, you can choose what kind of alerts Bob will receive when his TraceableLIVE devices need his attention. In this case, I'm going to enable all three: email, mobile push, and text message. Next, type in a password for Bob. Make sure this password has one letter and one special character. Here on locations, you can choose which devices Bob will have access to. So if you click on this down arrow, you can see all the locations so far on this account. Here, by selecting Texas Children's Hospital, this means that Bob is only able to view the devices currently under Texas Children's Hospital. Bob will not know about the other locations or the other devices. Once you're done choosing your locations, click on the up arrow here, and it'll minimize the accordion. And for our last step, we're going to choose the unit of measurement that Bob will see when he opens his account. We're going to leave it as Celsius, but he can change it later if he wants to. Once you're all done, click Add. As you can see here, Bob Smith is now added. To edit Bob's information, you could click on Edit here, but if you're on the main screen, be sure to click on the user's icon over here, and then click on Bob Smith. And now Edit. So let's say I gave Bob the wrong phone number. Let's change that to 5 at the end. And let's remove text message notifications to leave only email and push. Once you're done, click on Save. Bob Smith's information has now been edited. For our last lesson, we're going to learn how to delete users. The first thing I want to do is make sure you click on the user icon over here. Look for the name you want to delete. We're going to delete Bob in this case. Click on Edit, and then Delete down here. Click OK, and then OK. And now Bob Smith has been deleted.